Okay, hi guys, I'm gonna do the 8.2 quiz for the biotic, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so now, what whole number is equal to whatever, okay? Now, do we have the amount of n, like en? No, we don't, okay? All we have is the last number, okay? So what we're going to do, 63 is equal to, we want to find n. Oh no, they gave us an. An is equal to 63. Okay, we want to find n, which is the number that you multiply to find this. Okay, so now a1, by the way, this is the formula we're following. It's this one. An is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. That's it. I expect you to be like kind of familiar with this formula because like periodic everything. Okay, so a1 is 3 plus n, we don't know, n minus 1 multiplied by 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so my calculator, 63 equals to 3 plus x minus 1 multiplied by 4. We get that n is equal to 16. Now they want, when you see this, they want the sum. Okay, so what's the equation for the sum? Sum is very simply just what's the equation? N over 2 multiplied by 2 a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. That's it. Okay, so now we have every formula we need, every information, everything. N is equal to 16, just put it here. A1 is 3, d is 4. That's all you need to do. Okay, so 16 over 2 multiplied by 2 times 3 plus 16 minus 1 multiplied by 4, we get 528, which is correct. Okay. Same thing with this one. Oh my god. Bro, I think 8.2 is much easier than 8.1. Like, okay. This is really good, okay? So I'm just going to write, okay? So 6, 16, and then dot 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 whatever, okay? We want to find the sum, okay? We have everything we need, okay? So we do the sum formula immediately, okay? So we're going to do 40 over 2 multiplied by 2 times 6 plus n minus 1, n is 40, minus 1 multiplied by d, which is 10. Okay, so 40 over 2 multiplied by 2 times 6 plus 39 times 10, you get 8040, sorry. That's it. Okay, this is really easy. Okay, let A be an arithmetic progression with first term negative 12 and common difference 6. Let B be another, okay, whatever, yeah, yapping. Okay, so the first thing you do is you write your formula, okay? No, minus 12, okay, plus n minus 1 multiplied by 6, okay? Now, we want to find AK is equal to BK. What is the K? K is the 1, n. Okay, so we're going to make it equal to 5. Oh, I forgot to see the common difference. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to rewrite this. Oh, common difference 5. Are you serious, bro? This is so annoying. Anyways, minus 12 plus n. Oh wow. N minus 1 multiplied by 6 is equal to, because we're trying to find the n's, okay? It's equal to 5 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 5. Okay, on my calculator, minus 1 plus x minus 1 times 6 is equal to 5 plus x minus 1 times 5. Okay, so you get 18. That's really easy, okay? Okay, very easy, okay? Oh my god. Okay, this is really easy. Now, okay, here we go. Okay, so we have first two terms, okay? 0, and then 5. And then we need to find the remaining terms. If you're lazy and you're smart, you can do one thing. You can recognize that an arithmetic progression is a linear sequence. Okay? So the the difference is constant. So you can just do plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay? Or if you can use the normal equation, the a1 اللي هو 0 plus n minus 1 multiplied by the common difference, which is 5. So we get, it's just n minus 1 times 5. You replace n with 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, that's all you need to know. That's embarrassing. Anyway, there's a 10-year difference. Okay, now they're saying that it increased by 1200. Simply all you need to do is 120 times 10, so it's gonna be 120. Okay, that's it. Question 4. Solve a word problem on arithmetic. Oh my god. Okay, now a pyramid shaped structure is made up of blocks. The bottom level consists of this blocks or whatever. Okay, it consists of 51 levels. Let me just zoom out more. Okay. Now we have a pyramid. Okay, now A1 is equal to 151. Okay, now n is equal to 50. Oh wow, that is 51. Okay, now on my calculator, oh wait, not yet, no. Now you need to know one thing. When they're saying how many blocks in the structure, they want the sum, so it's gonna be n over 2 multiplied by. Okay, now wait, but however for this type of question, there's kind of like a different formula. Okay, because so you do n times 1, then n over 2 multiplied by a1. A1 is 151. Okay, plus 1. You only do this formula for this type of question. Okay, plus 1, why don't I write 11 plus 1? Okay, only for this formula. Okay, because why? Because each you're increasing the amount of blocks. Okay, and then an is equal to 1. Okay, that's it. That's all you need to know for this question. On your calculator, put it and you're gonna get 3876. Okay, okay, this is easy. Now you need to actually kind of think about this question. Okay, now how I like to solve this, I like to take two different numbers. Okay, two different sequences. We have a2, which is 2, a3, which we don't know, so I'm just going to write x, and then we have a4, which is 18. Now listen very closely. So let me choose a different color. d1 is equal to 18 minus x. Okay, and then d2 is equal to x minus 2, so it's going to be x plus 2. Okay, make d1 equal, so it's going to be 18 minus x equal to x plus 2. Okay, so 18 minus x is equal to x plus 2. Solve for x and you get that x is equal to 8. Now what is equal to 8 here? So a3 is equal to 8. Now let's check, it is 8. Okay, now if you found out, let me just write the updated sequence. Okay, so it's going to be 2, 8 and 18. Now if you found 1, you can find all of the others. All you need to do is just find the common difference. Okay, so it's going to be how much is the common difference? It's going to be 18 minus 80 is equal to 10. Now we want to find a1, so it's just going to be minus 2 minus 10, so it's going to be minus 12. Okay, now 18 plus 10, you get 28. Okay, and then you get 38 and then 48 and then 58. Okay, but you have to be really careful. Okay, you have to look here. Okay, so this is a1, this is a2, 3, 4. Sorry, my mom marked it. Anyways, this is the 5th term, this is the 4th term. Oh my god, 6 and then 7, 6, sorry, 8, okay? Now, 1 is 12 and then 3 is 8, then 5 is 28, you get what I mean. That's it. You have to be really, you have to think about these types of questions. They're more like comprehending than memorizing, you know? Okay, this is easy. Just put the formula. It's gonna be 8 plus n minus 1 multiplied by minus 2. Okay? Now, replace n with 5 and then 10 and then 21. Okay? I'm not like focusing on those types of questions because you got 5 sigma k minus sigma 2. Okay? Now, we have a standardized formula which is any number or sigma or whatever is going to be equal to n. Okay, so here we can replace this with 2n. Okay, so okay, oh wait, okay, so 5 sigma k minus 2n. Okay, now you need to apply the property, which is going to be 5 multiplied by n plus 1 over 2. Okay, and then minus 2 and whatever. Okay, now we try to like simplify. Okay, first of all, what we do, multiply, so we move this here, so it's going to be 5 over 2 multiplied by n squared plus n. Okay, minus 2n, so it's going to be 5 over 2 n squared plus 5 over 2n minus 2n. Now on my calculator I'm going to do 5 over 2 minus 2, so I'm going to get 0.5. Okay, so because these are like terms, they're both, let me just change the color, they're both these are both n. Okay, so it's going to be 5 over 2 n squared plus 1 over 2, which I got on my calculator, n. That's all you need to know. Just convert these to decimal and this is what you get. Okay, second part is so much easier. Okay, this you don't even need to use the sigma, you can just use your knowledge. Okay, so we have a1 3. Okay, an is equal to 5 over 3, n is, we don't know, d is 5. Okay, because I just subtracted. Okay, now apply the formula. So an 503 is equal to, we're doing all of this to find n. Okay, so we're gonna use the an, why my voice just cracked like that, plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, a1 liquid 3, oh wow, 3 plus n minus 1 multiplied by 5. Okay, on my calculator 503 is equal to 3 plus x minus 1 multiplied by 5. We are going to get that n is 101, so I can replace with my newly founded value. Okay, this is so much work, bro. Okay, n is equal to 101, d is equal to 5. Okay, now we use the sum, while sum, because we see the plus. Okay, just do that. Okay, so we're going to do n, this is the formula, Sn, okay, is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2 e1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, now just replace. Okay, so it's going to be 101 over 2 multiplied by 2 times 3 plus 100. Okay, I already did the minus. 101 minus, okay, 101 minus 1 multiplied by 5. Okay, now, okay, over 2 multiplied by 2 times 3 plus 100 times 5, we get, hold up, we get 25553, which is the correct answer. That's it for the chapter 8.2. I'll write the formulas really quickly so you don't forget them. Okay, so arithmetic an is equal to a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. Okay, Sn, however, is just going to be what's it called, n over 2 multiplied by 2a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. However, for the pyramid question, okay, there's an exception. It's going to be n over 2 multiplied by a1 plus 1. Okay, a1 being the base. Okay, that's everything you need to know for this quiz. Good luck, and yeah, bye bye guys. Oh.